Hi guys, today we are going to play School Boy 1, right? And we are going to try to get the mom to open the gate without even me trying to do stuff. So I'm just going to keep ringing the doorbell. As you can see, this is my 19th time doing it. Pretty sure you have to do it 21 times, so oh my god, is she opening it? Ah! This is going to take forever.
It's like Mr. Wilson says. We have the power in our mind to survive. Okay, we just gotta
we're just going to wait for her to get back to the side so we can do the
We'll be okay.
Strike the bug! Strike the bug!
And if it doesn't work, this is fake. Because I found it off of a YouTube video.
Have you talked to your dad? You know how he is.
Think you're
I
good?
wish I could change his mind.
Wait, I only have one strike left. If I lose it, I'm dead. I have to try all over again. 21 try. Come on.
Got it! Are you blind or what?
Look, she's not opening it. The last try. If it doesn't work, this is so fake. Oh my god.
Special code.
Also, I was watching Fulton.
I'll go check his arrangement.
Wow. Magic just stopped and said, "Care to tell me when your door is open?" No! Ma, I beat it! I beat it! I beat the game! I beat the game! Guys, it actually works! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ending 5 out of 8? What? Huh? How do I have 5 endings? Oh my god. That was cool. Not gonna lie. Alright, bye guys. Bye. Also this fun act is probably gonna be really cool because it's coming soon. It's coming soon. Coming soon for the development. But so escape, you have escape, and the horror. There's a horror one, by the way, guys. As you see, it's gonna take you to this. It's a creepy one. Yeah. But the escape one is way more fun. Okay, why did it get so dark? Way more fun.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Kid, be quiet. Okay, so we finally beat the game for once. For once.